to have you today. Let's start off with your introduction. And how do you feel being part of this event?
So briefly introducing myself, I'm Dr. Humaira Jamshed. I'm an associate professor of bioscience here at Habib. I'm also the chair of the ethics review committee at Habib University and been here for almost 6 years now. Other than that, I've been extensively involved in bioscience or health related research, and I've been board member of a lot of the scientific journals as well. So my experience with this event was amazing. It's a very good start, and I believe that's something very essential and necessary. We don't have a lot of forums like this in Pakistan, so I think that's a very good start. I've been internationally part of such events and such initiatives, but locally, nationally, I think this is one of the first that I've attended in many years.
Essentially, in your view, I want to know how important it is to kind of bridge the gap between scientists and obviously the layman or general public.
I think it's absolutely necessary. Every day in our classes, in our real life, there's always this need of us doing something else in the class or in the lab, and then people out there not knowing about it or having a very different idea of what it actually means. So I think there's a huge gap that needs to be filled, and everybody can play a role in it. So it's not just on to the scientists or the experts of the field, but actually a responsibility of the students or the general public as well to ask the right kind of questions and just to be open-minded enough to be inquisitive, like, okay, where is this coming from? So just a simple question like, what's the evidence, kahan se aa raha hai, kahan ja raha hai, even that kind of a question is the starting point, and I think there's a very
How
big need.
important do you think it is for the youth to kind of engage in activities like this?
Absolutely important, absolutely essential. So again, I would say कहीं से तो start करेंगे, and I think this is a very good first point कि कहाँ से start करें. जब उन्हें पता ही नहीं होगा कि उनकी कहाँ पर misunderstandings हैं, वो कहाँ lack करते हैं, तो वो उसको rectify नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is the first step to be part of such initiatives so that they would at least know, okay, this could be done, rather than just saying कि there's a gap and people don't know enough and scientists are too technical and then people don't have enough understanding of science. I think to have events like this is a good starting point for youth specifically, because they will be the next future of the country and the world.
If you could use one word to describe this event, this Science Fair event, what would it be?
I would say essential. Very much needed. That's a second word. And put small things in the middle so it becomes one sentence. But it's absolutely essential.
That's amazing. It was lovely to have you. Amazing personality.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this interview.
Thank you.